other words, progressively more complex or more difficult. The word complex or difficult is not going to be used in the SSB. It is going to be less and less simple. There are no natural obstacles like a river, ditch, nala, hill, etc. So obstacles have been created by a very simple method of drawing two lines, calling one the start line, other the finish line, and placing the area between them as out of bounds. So you are required to cross over from the start line to the finish line without touching the ground. But for you to cross over, there are certain structures provided in the out of bound area which can be used. Also, certain helping material in the form of planks, ropes, and bullies have been provided which can be used to cross these obstacles. While doing the task, you are required to carry a load with you. Load is any object like a box, a drum, a barrel, etc. Now, the load is a common responsibility of the entire group. It has to be carried with you, handled carefully, and cannot be used as a helping material. While doing this task, you are required to observe certain rules. Now, the rules will be explained now, and these rules are going to be applicable in all the outdoor tasks, and the rules will not be repeated thereafter. Which also means, in case you got a doubt, get your doubts clarified before a task commences. Once a task has commenced, you will be doing your job, and the GTO will be doing his job. No further questions directed towards the GTO. But in case a doubt has come up after the task has started, ask each other and get your doubts clarified amongst yourself. Once the task is over, you can ask me as many doubts that you may have. Now, the language is either English or Hindi. When you address each other, address by your chest numbers. No names, no other third language. Now, the first rule is called the group rule. Group rule means until the entire group has completed the first obstacle, only then can you move to the next obstacle. It can't happen that 2, 3 of in the third obstacle, 2, 3 in the second, remain in the first. No. For that matter, you're not even supposed to look at the next obstacle till the entire group has completed the previous obstacle. That is the group rule. Now, the second rule is the color rule. You'll find the structures are basically painted in 3 different colors. Anything painted white is a user-friendly color, can be used the way you want to for both the living and non-living. Living is all of you, non-living is the helping material and the load. Can be used the way you want to. And opposite of that is red. Red always indicates what?
Danger.
Danger means totally out of bounds for both living and non-living, cannot be used in any which way. You got a third color, a neutral color, the blue color. Anything painted blue is inbound only for the living members, but out of bound for the non-living members. That is the helping material or the load cannot be used on the blue color. The next rule is called the distance rule or the 4 feet rule. Distance is more than 4 feet, either vertically, horizontally, or diagonally can't be jumped. If you find the distance is more than 4 feet, use your helping material to either bridge across or manipulate and reduce the distance to less than 4 feet so you can then cross over. Jumping more than 4 feet is not permitted. Now, there's a rule regarding the helping material called rule of rigidity. If you got 2 rigid helping materials, say if you got 2 planks or a plank and a bully or 2 bullies, they cannot be tied together. But if you got 2 flexible helping materials, say if you got 2 ropes, always join the ropes together, make it into a long rope and use it to your best advantage. Now, I've told you these rules, like in any activity, any game, there are rules. In case a rule has been violated, that is unknowingly or knowingly sometimes, you have to take corrective action. Corrective action is very simple. While going from one structure to another structure, if a rule was broken, get back to the previous structure. Only that person has to move back. If it is helping material, replace it in its earlier position and recover it. You got to take corrective action on your own. In other words, you're going to be judges on your own. In case you do not take necessary corrective action, your friends will have to point out. In case your friends also don't point out, then I may have to step in. So not reach that level. Any doubts?
No, sir.
The time for the progressive group task is normally 45 minutes, anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes, depends on the construction, design, etc. I'll give you 45 minutes. So ready to start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see this white line?
Yes, sir.
This white line is the start line, that white line is the finish line. Yes, sir. And both the start line and finish line extend to infinity, both the sides. Law of infinity, which means you can't go from the side and see obstacle complete. You are required to cross over from the start line to the finish line without touching the ground in between, which means you can't stand where I am standing. Neither can you keep the helping material or the load on the ground where I am standing. But for you to cross over, there are certain structures provided. You got that bench, basically white color, this side is blue color, white stone, then you got this metal structure, white color. You got a goalpost, Rod in center with two projections, white color. This stone is blue and white, that stone is white. Now coming to yours. This drum, where all these stones are there, half, including the stone, is blue color. That half is white color. You got a stump here, this A-shaped structure, white color. That stone is white. That stone is white. Helping material. I'll give you a long plank, not the longest plank, one bully and two ropes. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, just to brush up on the various rules. Can you stand on the blue color?
Yes, sir.
Can you jump from there till there?
No, sir.
Can you tie the plank and the bully together?
No, sir.
Can you keep one on top of the other without tying them?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
While going from here till there, if you touch the ground, where do you come back?
Yes,
Any doubts? I'll show you a next obstacle after you finish this.
sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
got a lot of surprises for you. So please pick up one plank, one bully, and two ropes. Yeah, that plank. One bully, one bully. Don't take all the bullies. Two ropes. One more rope. Please start. Does she come?
This is blue.
Don't take
No,
it.
this is blue.
That
That is blue, sir. Told it is blue.
Okay. At the bottom, everything has been painted black. It assumes the same color. What is above it?
Can you put the plank on the side?
Welcome.
Wait, he will do, wait. You do that. Just, he is, no.
We do balance out there.
Wait, but we can walk down. We have the stone. We can walk over there. Hey, you try, Shiva. This number, don't you? Don't put it. No. Okay.
Put it
No, it's not touching.
Don't touch this.
Hey, just put it behind. Yeah. Now go.
It is touching the ground.
Put it little left.
No, that is the hill wala.
No. Still it is the ground. No.
Wait, somebody has to put pressure over there.
Shield.
Yeah, now
Shield. Number 21.
From that.
Otherwise, you can just put
21.
rope.
Chest number 21.
Not from there. From
It
there.
will not come down.
Wait.
Move from that way in front.
Yeah,
Yeah.
stable. It's not touching.
Yeah, it's not touching down. Okay. It's not touching. You go.
Give bullet to me.
Hand over.
I give here first.
Check if it is going. But somebody has to support one. Just number.
Hey, you can go chest number 3.
Yeah. You go support. Wait. Don't touch it.
That is blue.
Come. Wait.
Yeah. Now we can go.
He can go there.
Yeah, go.
Come this
Just number 1.
21.
Wait. Don't. Come back. Again, go back and
That's
come. Again,
blue.
come
No,
back.
that is
That's
blue.
blue. Hey, that's blue. Stone is blue.
Stone is blue, no?
Yeah, we can stand there.
No problem. Hey, 21 is there. No problem.
Blue is a living thing. We can stand there. Okay. Now try putting that bully over there. Can you do that?
Better one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First.
Wait. Everyone can help.
First one of.
Yeah. Wait, I'll come.
Yes, I can go.
I'll come.
Well, from there, we can.
Do not.
You can have. Give me hand.
Yeah.
Give me hand. Next.
One person can go there and
Now
reach
one
from
person
there.
can shift there.
Because that is easy. Coming from there is more easy.
Chest number 21.
All of you go there.
Chest number 9. You wait there. Not touch this. This is the. Hey, chest number 21. Listen, bro. Say him to wait there. You go. And how will I go? Again go. Yeah. You have done this, right? Go. I hold this.
Touch it blue.
No, don't touch the blue.
But we can put it very over there.
Lie.
The plank over there.
Bully and support and go there. We can cross it.
Done.
Instead of going
Very good.
No. Bro,
Okay.
you get back and give the line.
Wait. Let's check that. It's possible. But let them come first.
Chest number. Just keep it directly. See how
Let's check if it is. Yeah. Let's check.
No, it's not.
This plank
Place it.
is
It's not.
the
Yeah, you
plank.
use this.
No, the plank
not
is
go.
the smaller one.
Plank is small.
Yeah, from here you can. No.
Hey, like that only, like that only.
You hold it.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
Make it a little diagonal. Make it a little diagonal.
No,
So
wait,
that
wait,
it will be more easy. Make it a little diagonal. Yeah.
No, here. But you have to hold it, hold it.
stable.
It's fine, it's fine.
It's stable, it's
Yeah,
stable.
yeah.
Most of the people can- just number
Less
three,
than
you can also come.
Wait, take pata.
No, only two people. Bridge it. Bridge it to later one. Yeah.
Wait, somebody has to go. Yeah, somebody. Wait. Hold it, yeah.
Check one person cross, then you go.
Hold it tightly.
Hold this. Yeah, hold it.
It's not required room.
Wait.
One person can hold the rope and just take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold it. Just number 9. You can't pass it. No, don't sit there.
Be careful. Come on. Chest number 17, come on. Help him.
Don't step. Fulcrum is there, na? So you step that side.
Place the legs on them. Okay.
Help him.
More.
Place it a little diagonal. Yeah.
Yeah, you can come now.
This is the last step at the end.
Put the pole.
Only one step.
Yeah,
Only
don't
one step.
Just telling you. There is the pole.
No, step at the end.
Step on the
Step on the
Yeah,
one.
yeah, very good, very good.
Hold. Wait.
Yeah, chest number.
1 second.
You can pass the rope.
Don't touch on that.
Yeah.
It's the white line now. Yeah. It's the white
Not it. Put it. There's one spider web there. I took a photograph. Let's see. Good. Between these two trees. Don't cross it.
Pass the rope.
Pass the balli.
You wait there. Don't step there.
No, I know. Pass.
Wait, let them come, then you give to you. Give Bali to take the rope.
Pass the balli.
Pass
the balli.
Pass the bali.
Okay, now I know he will also cross over. Just dig the plank. Come here. One of you. See the plank reaches from the. That bench is white, two stumps white color. This cross top is blue, the rest of it is white. That drum on top is white, this side is blue. That stone is white, A-shaped structure white color, the stone is white. Like I said, bottom everything is black. Assume the same color what is above it. Please continue. I've changed the.
Because that is completely blue. That is completely blue. We can't keep it.
Go for the black.
That one's easy. That is. No, wait. That is. Take it blue. How can you?
But how you will
21. Tie up the rope here. Hey, no.
Okay, one more instruction. There's a lot of dew on these benches and other things. Whenever you jump, be little careful. Don't slip. You're wearing football shoes.
Yeah, sir. But check if it is supporting.
no,
Wait,
the plan.
Wait, 30. Friends, go. Huh? Yeah. Have a check.
First,
Have a check
Yeah,
first.
it's fine. Let it go.
Yeah, it will go.
Hey, place
But
the
I
food
think
after
you
the pole,
better
sir.
use plank
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah, easy.
With that, it will slip.
Have the
No, try again.
Try with the plank.
That is longer. That is
Which one?
longer. Better.
Try this blank.
Try with the plank.
That is short.
It's okay.
No,
Step.
It's a longer one.
No. Step ahead. Yeah.
Be careful. Give him a hand.
Don't. Easy.
That's slippery. Yeah, you can do it.
You can stand on this.
Yeah, another one.
No,
No, we can pass it.
on number 13.
Yeah, make the cantilever
Pass
first.
Make sure you place the fruit here.
Cantilever.
Make the cantilever first.
Why we can't make with the
Yeah, balance
plank?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a white color stone out there.
Don't.
Then we can
It's okay to
stand that way.
Wait, I have to try. More than 4.
Yeah.
More than 4 feet.
It is more than 4.
It's more than 4.
It's more than 4. Okay, so we can put Bali.
First of all,
But first we will pick it.
Yeah, plank is one.
First plant, then
we'll make it.
How's my hat?
Yeah,
Huh? See, all my things got
उसके बाद फिर
last 3 weeks not fully got burned.
yeah,
So,
these have to
sun, no, suddenly it becomes hot. I brought my
keep the plant.
huh?
plank on top of that.
30.
1 second.
James Bond, no?
Hey, one. Just a minute. Stand there. Put this
No,
in the
because
bag.
I'm men.
Let the sun come out.
No.
Place the fruit here.
First what to
And don't rotate it. Easy. Leave easy. Come back.
We go back this one. I make cantilever.
Yeah, because we need to make a
better.
from it, because the
We
last
can
person
keep
needs
it
to
there
come.
now.
Because we need to
Better to make the
Yeah.
Hey, don't place your foot here.
Yeah. Go full. Go.
Yeah.
I think if we reverse, it will be more
Somebody has to
beneficial.
go over there now.
Easy. No,
No,
not
no,
if.
No, not
not
possible.
on
It's
the.
not bus. Yeah, possible.
It's
Come on, man.
slippery a little, but otherwise it's possible.
But it is.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Took the plank and place over that here.
Try.
Somebody gave an idea, why don't you reverse the process?
Yeah, sir.
Reverse the process.
It's not reaches.
Put the plank here and Bali that side.
Give the body there and
Yeah,
put the plant there.
reaches.
It's possible.
Yeah, it's reaches. No
Yeah.
problem.
So first,
Yeah, 13. You can reach the. Pass the plank. You can reach here.
Pass the plank for 30.
You can reach. Put it over here.
Yeah.
21. Pass the plank. Yeah, just try now.
Yeah, you hold it. Hey, don't worry.
Make it a chance.
Chest number 13.
Yeah.
yeah, now we can
See, if it is
just make
holding.
Bali over
Yeah.
there.
Oh, take
Hold
it.
it. Check if it is touching the ground. No, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it won't.
Easy,
Ah.
not easy. Now hold it.
Step only one
Now
sound
it
in
is
that
easy.
one number.
Wait.
Leave this.
No, it's
Step
not
only
needed.
one.
Yeah.
One. That's it.
Just support
Very
him
good.
with the
Very good.
hand.
Yeah, come.
One.
So send him there again and you cross the line.
Yeah.
Understood?
Hey, it's easy. Less than 4 feet. I have to be able to cross.
So you cross the line.
But how will that stand take to land?
Right. Place, fully placed and you have placed. Yeah. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Easily come. Yeah. Hey, go back.
Maximum.
Little bit back. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, come.
Still you can go.
Yeah, place this over my legs. You have to reach away.
आगे रखना.
Yeah, take it.
Stand on the
Go.
hold it, yeah.
आराम से. उसके ऊपर एक ही पैर रखो.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Wait, take this.
Place the belly. Yeah.
You cross. Yeah. Wait, I have to set and you have to move.
No, don't say
Keep it again, keep it again.
Leave it.
better.
Slip हो रहा है, पानी
Yeah.
Yeah. Leave it.
It will work. You can work.
Give me hand.
Hold it. It's rolling it.
Make sure to place in middle, Ra.
Okay, done.
Because this is.
वहाँ पे भी तो लगा सकते
Yeah.
हो.
Wait. Let me finish.
Yeah.
Make sure to place your foot in the middle of the belly.
Whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah, very good.
And you can't even jump. Tell me. But she has
Wait.
Yeah. So again somebody cross over now.
Yeah. Make sure to
Yeah.
place your foot in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Very good.
Yes.
Give some space. Give some space.
Yeah.
That's all. You can reach here.
Yeah, touch.
Oh, wait.
दूर हो जाएगा ना.
Yeah, center blue instance he can one was right. The upset one.
How will
The things we can do.
how will the last person?
He'll come. Yeah, he'll come. Yeah, he'll come.
अरे नहीं है वो पूरा प्लान के साथ कैसा है?
We'll make it.
So last one we'll reverse it again, no?
How?
Putting the plank there and bully here.
Yeah. Little more. Full.
Yeah, make sure to place your foot after the poles.
Yeah.
बस
और yeah, just a step.
Yeah.
just a step.
Yeah.
Right पे step
Hold
right
it,
पे
hold
right
it.
पे
Yeah, hold the pole, hold the pole.
very good very good
Hey.
wait
Continue. Come change.
put the bully
Okay, tell me how many people can stand here?
So 3.
3 sir 3
Maximum 3, sir.
maximum 3 can stand
Keep sending one by one. Already half your time.
okay
is
one more
over.
Yeah, one
you
of
also come 21 also come
The place. Stand a little bit your foot on the belly.
put your
Yeah,
don't slide
that's
on that just put your feet that yeah come on
Hold here, hold it.
hold it
You can step.
Yeah, you can stand on that stand at that
Stand
pole.
on the
Stand
pole.
at that
Yes,
poles.
stand on the pole.
Stand on that poles.
Keep the legs on the pole. Yeah.
Okay, just 1 minute. Now tell me, what's your name? 21.
Nishita.
Huh?
21.
What's your name?
Nishita.
Yishita. What's your name?
Priyanka.
Priyanka. Now you tell me, there are 4 people that are giving you advice as to how to walk. How are you feeling at that time?
Yeah, one.
Wait. How are you feeling?
So I was just doing what I felt was right.
You are feeling. Now my question is, it is good to give advice, but when advice is not solicited, why give that advice then? At least trust her to do it the way she wants to, no? If there are 4 people giving advice, what is her state of mind going to be? Understood the difference?
Yes, sir.
When required, give it and ask. And if you are finding it difficult, you ask how to go about it. And because what is the height? Huh? Maybe one side is 1 feet and the other side is hardly 6 inches. And even if you fall, what is going to happen? Nothing is going to happen. And so much of advice, bombarding with advice, how do you think it is going to help? I'll leave it to you. I'm not saying it is right or wrong.
Okay.
No, tell me
Yeah,
who
place.
knows
Yeah,
better, no?
hold it. Come.
yeah test number
Test number
19
17, yeah,
17 come
Yeah, come.
come on yeah very good
Come on.
so
I think we should
just
reverse it.
test number 30 just can you reverse that put the bully there and the plank yeah right
Or
it
plank.
will be difficult to get
No,
the
we
plank
can
if
take
you-
plank also, I think. We have support there, no?
Oh,
Okay. So last person all can cross over, correct?
Yes, sir.
Your idea is correct. To save little time, pick up everything and come. Let us go to the next one. The stone is white. You got the stone blue and white. You got this rectangular color structure. 2 sides of blue, 2 sides of white. Yes, sir. A-shaped structure, white color. The stone is white. Different A-shaped structure. The stone is white, and this got a red color strip. Okay. Okay. Towards you is red color strip.
okay wait listen to sir
Sir बोलेंगे, sir बोलेंगे. Start.
Yeah. Start.
test number 30 पे
Sir, इसको सबको पता है.
you may plan.
make the bully you can have this now
Let's go.
I make a cantilever from there. That's
One
all.
more.
One make that's all sufficient.
If it's possible, yeah, na?
No, no, no.
No, keep it.
wait
We can go to the stone. No, that white stone.
Put a plank over there. Then
the
it's
draft.
easy. Put
wait
a plank.
you have the bully come here wait so put the thing try that first yeah
Put a plank. Be careful, be careful. Use both.
wait touch the ground little bit
Touch the ground.
Bring it back.
pull it back
Let it move.
It's not.
Keep this bully, get another bully. I know chaps all pick up the longest thing.
it's not more than 3 4 feet sir
Instead of that, we could have used both the things. The plank
make sure to
together.
place after the
Not
hole
on the first ground, not on the first ground.
okay
Number 21.
come back. It's not touching.
It's not touching.
No, it didn't touch. It didn't touch.
Number 3.
It didn't touch.
You keep the bali also, so it will be easy.
Yeah, from Bali from there. Pass in the Bali.
To
Wait,
21.
1 second.
21.
No, from here.
Wait.
Yeah.
Don't put the bully. Don't put the bully.
Don't give the
Give to him. Give the bully to him.
Come to.
Give the bully to him. Hey, it's 4 feet. We can pass through it. We have to go and.
Okay, but give us one person. You have to come help her.
You go.
Yeah, wait.
Wait, Aram. It's not touching.
Take it. Yeah.
Give the bully. I'll come.
Wait.
Pass. Touch us the ground.
I can't jump.
Take the plan.
Arey.
Let him come there. Let him also come there. No, there.
Wait. Let it come down.
Yeah, you come first. Go first.
Not that one. The
Wait,
lady.
really go there.
Hey.
No, that is red. That is red. That is
That is
red.
That is the right.
Red. Sir has made it.
It is useful. Wait.
Good job.
Yeah, give the.
Give rope and
You go.
30.
Okay.
Get one. Put the plank. I'll come.
We have to
plank
come.
and
30.
three, four will come.
Wait. We have to come.
Yeah. You do one thing. You go that side only.
Then after
That side. To stand
Yeah,
that
to
side.
stand there, to stand there.
You have to stand there. I'll come there. I'll put the pali. You can come back. Understood?
That thing is also principal, no? Bali, sir?
That one.
outer part is white. This part is white. Yeah, go.
Yeah, out to put. Hey, the blue is touching the. What you need is correct. You place it here only. Place the. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, actually. You should have this.
You go there, it's
Take the Bali. No.
Wait.
From here to there. Take the Bali and like a place it.
Give me the plank. Exactly. Yeah. Hey, but if you go there in center, that remaining part is blue. So we can move forward. Pass the plank to the next obstacle.
See, instead of making
It's not the
it
point.
more difficult, we could have gone this
Gone
way.
there. Yeah, it is easier.
Try. We will try. No problem. We have to try. Number 21. Wait. Okay.
Put your head.
Yeah. This work.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Can we use your arms?
Don't place your foot there.
No. Let him do first.
Wait. Let me see.
Wait. It's also working. Check number 17. Wait. Check number 18.
Check
You
the
try.
20 took the
Bali,
ball.
Bali.
Yeah.
Chest number 21. You can go there. Chest number 21.
And reach.
Yeah. Try.
I guess Bali will
Not reach it. Not reach.
not this Bali will
Use belly also.
Bali
Reach it. Hey, you can take support from here, no? Number
That's also
9.
it won't reach there.
Put it here.
It won't reach.
Yeah.
Wait.
It's working.
Move it little back. Now use the belly.
No, it won't be stable.
Wait. Now you
The use of the Bali like
give the belly, no?
दो इंच बढ़ गया.
Little more, just little more.
ahead.
Give me that.
Aage. No.
Don't change that. Don't change that.
Enough. Now you will
Try
reach.
to do that. You can hear that.
See, it came here and said it's blue. We can't process the materials from this.
Standing on a plank will not be permitted.
Sir?
Standing on a plank as a counterweight will not be permitted.
Okay, so this is the better.
Yeah.
This is the better.
So we can do one. Test number 9. Come here.
See, there is a blue. We can't have that obstacles by touching that. So we can go through.
Give me that one. Wait. The plank is long.
Wait. Just make. No. It will not work. It will not work. However, there's a blue. We can the things. But we can't do that. We can't do that. Yeah.
No,
Don't
we have
stand
the
there,
square shape. No.
You stand white and
White.
No,
So
listen.
don't white.
Put it there.
Test number 3.
come to white.
Test number
Use the belly to support it. Use belly to support the plank.
Test number 3.
Where?
Put the ball.
Put it this
Wait.
way.
Apart is standing on this side. Once try.
Yes. Try it. Yes. But is it touching blue or not?
No. It's okay. Not touch. Remove it. How?
Come back to our picture. No.
It will not touch.
Okay.
The plank inside.
Test number 9.
Wait.
That way is possible. No.
We have to move.
No, not possible. That is right. No. Also, can we do one thing? Let me think.
Going up to 8 feet, you need that rope.
We can use the plank. This is a rectangular shape, no? From the down part, from this end, you can make. We can
Have this
plank.
Have
So plank, and then we can give the rope.
That's number 3.
Give the bali there.
That's number 3.
Wait.
Come, let's try.
Go back.
Go back there. Yeah, go back there.
Hold it.
No. Yeah, use the bali. There are two people. No, we don't need extra people. Let's just think of a solution from there to there because more people can't see.
No, that is
Not this.
No, not that. Yeah, not that.
Not required.
number.
Use the plank.
Okay.
The plank.
Make it tighter. Okay. Make it tighter.
Wait,
Not
one
from
second.
there. From there to there.
Let her come then.
No,
Not this.
no.
What color do you know that?
Down part is also
Down is blue one.
Down is also blue.
This one.
down is also.
I don't know. Bend down and see.
Down is white one.
It's white.
It is white.
It's white.
Did you see?
It's possible. You can go.
Oh, what's your name here? Did you see? It is white color.
That's white side.
Ah.
It's white.
That off.
Last time because it was white. You think this time also it is white? Bend down and see.
It is white.
Yeah, it is white.
White, sir. Okay, now you can go.
It is not more than.
But somebody has to hold that.
The angle is too much wider, so you cannot jump from there. Put it back down.
Wait.
Below the back down. Below the bulb.
Wait.
Come here.
Yeah. Okay.
21. Take the rope.
Make a candy.
Below the bulb, now it will
Wait. Let somebody else give the bali. Give the plank. They have to come.
You have to come.
We can come and stand here.
Don't touch. Don't.
There are people standing in different variations. It's not too hard.
Okay. Just number 3.
Try it below the bulb, you know. One,
Yeah.
two, three, number
Yeah.
three. Number three, you have to come back. Once you try it, whether it's working or not, later we'll
Yeah,
choose
give it.
the
You
first
go
one.
back. It's better.
You can stand on blue.
No.
Give it to 9.
Just number 3. Just number 3. You go back.
No problem. Come.
Then take it.
Put the plank here. Put the plank here.
Plank here. You come.
No need to keep, no. You can come and
Arey, yaar, give it here. I'll go there. No, I'll go
there.
with
You
them.
can come.
That's okay. Bye.
How do you come here?
Hold it. Keep it like okay.
Wait.
Pull it more.
Okay, let me come. Again, pass that.
Give it.
Which one?
Okay, walk and come. Please don't waste time. Walk on the ground. Go there.
Come here.
Just number 30.
Hold it.
Try to move fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Put some. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
And make cantilever.
Yeah, it not touch it.
Just number 3. Just number 3. Just also make a cantilever. It will easily come to inside.
No problem.
Just number 30. It is also make a cantilever. You can easily.
It's not.
Yeah, work it now.
It's not
Yeah, hold it.
Place your foot after the hold.
You hold it bully with your two legs.
Okay.
Yeah. Tight.
Come. Yeah. But if somebody hold it from back here.
Yeah. Now hold it. Hold this. Give me some space. Move. Wait.
Yeah, you also come. How 2 members come? Stand there. It's better for us. Come to 4 to.
Don't put your leg there.
You make. I'll give you rope.
Okay.
Wait 1 second. I
Already
can't pass it.
Yeah, but
That one. You remember? You have to make a.
She can go directly over there.
then after?
Then you have to insert a plank there so we can come like. Got it?
Why to.
You also go. You take. Yeah.
No. Just number 42. Just number 42.
Just number 42. 42.
Pass it. Come to 2 members. Why to this is
You can also come here.
Blue part.
Come here.
4 or 5 members easily can.
Take the bully.
Take the bully.
This bully. And all of you can come back.
Yeah, it's easily.
That is okay.
Make
Just
it.
think of a solution from
No,
there.
it is that.
This will touch, no? This will touch.
Don't.
We can tie a rope here.
Last question, how will
Yeah.
okay. After the
No need, no need.
More than 5 feet.
think of a
वो प्लैंक में जैसा बना के गया था वैसा बना के
these
जाएंगे
materials can be used there. that is there.
Okay, 42 come.
वो लोग आ जाओ इधर यार खड़े जाओ
All of you come at once.
We will come think of the solution from that A because
Yeah,
the
yeah.
last person can't
हाँ, the
come.
This
solution
is
there. We
possibly
have to
done
tie
it
the
now.
rope there and we will
The
make
last person, how will he come?
make a river.
Who will it? Just give me something.
हाँ वही rope लगा के वैसा plan
Give me
Huh?
plan is there.
Plank they are coming. Give the rope.
No, we can't do that. It's
Give
not
me.
दूर है.
I make it's not more than. Are give me.
You can't give. Wait. Once you create a system idea, you can't give it of more than 40.
Hold from little.
नीचे से पकड़ो नीचे से.
Chest number 14, you can come.
You can stand on this.
हाँ.
But yes.
No, it's okay. What is it? Chest number?
21.
13. Send 2 people here.
Easily. Hey, anyone can place the belly and hold it.
दोनों पैर से पकड़ ले. हाँ.
And move little back so that they can come.
Thomas, घुमाओ उसको.
सीधा पैर नहीं रखना. सीधा पैर नहीं.
Just want to hold his hand.
Hold it. Yeah, come. Yeah.
यार send like ना.
No.
Yeah.
Alar come.
No, it's okay. Alarm coming.
Little bit longer. Yeah. Step on the belly. Little bit.
Once again. Go back.
Go back. Go back. Go back. There only. Go back.
Go by ground.
Yeah, stand there only. Stand there. Stand up, stand there.
Little bit belly pull.
Don't keep at the starting only.
और आगे रखो और आगे.
More.
हाँ, बस. Nice, easy.
Little bit pull.
Wait.
Not
Wait.
Not
हाँ.
more,
42.
not so many people on one.
Came here.
Four can go.
Yeah, we can.
हाँ, you come. And now give the plank and the belly both. We have to make like this.
We can think of a solution from that.
Last person. Wait.
Chest number उसको क्या है यार?
Wait.
No.
Chest number 21, you
You
can
can go
go
there.
there.
You can go there.
Try putting up a rope.
That's why I was asking. Yeah.
No, first one should go and give the rope to him.
Ah, that's why.
Where's the rope? Jimmy, distance.
No, you
No,
can't
you
give.
can't give.
Yeah, give the
somebody has to go
belly,
there.
give
That's why.
belly.
अरे यार क्या है?
Directly
has to
they
go there,
can't
na?
go. It is more than
Don't. You can stay there.
Put the plank. Put
Yeah,
the
put
belly.
the plan.
One can come here. 17.
17.
Anyone can go.
Yeah, only two of you please drop here. The heavy one, the people who can
Be careful.
chest number.
Yeah, put it like that. And put underneath that.
Put underneath the belly.
Underneath the belly.
No,
Not like
not
that.
underneath.
भाई बल्ली पीछे कर थोड़ा.
इधर वाले में.
Chest number 20.
Yeah. But
Now yeah, little bit. Pull out.
no, I think you should move little front. It is more than 4 there.
Tell them loudly.
Move it little front. We have more than 4 feet there.
Which one, the bunny?
Yeah, this plank.
Yeah, enough.
Yeah, now you can.
Put the belly also a little forward.
Belly also little.
20.
Then the height will reduce.
Yeah. Now you also come here, hold it. Come. 21, they hold it 14. Don't lit between the legs. Yeah, that's it.
Now you make the, no. There. You go there, na? You can go.
Don't touch on the right. Yeah.
From there directly we can go outside, no?
You can, but
But how will the last person come?
Sana, this place also take the bus.
Go. What are you waiting for?
Next.
Next.
Christmas is over. New Year is over.
Cross. Go cross. Yeah, then cross. You cross. Okay.
We cross from little here. It won't move, don't worry.
Go.
Yeah, it won't.
You also. Here is no need of that. Yeah, correct one.
Hey, just give her hand.
Last person.
How to? No,
Okay, you also go there. Both of you come here.
One second.
Quickly cross over. I want to see how you cross. Come, walk on the ground. Come here.
Out possible last person.
Yes, otherwise give me a hand.
Wait, no, we'll do it. 1 second. Let me go there.
Okay.
Only one person can stand.
Good. Both of
Only
you go.
one person.
Go on your own. Go. Let us see what happens.
But last person also.
No. Wait 1 second. We'll.
Wait. Yeah, done.
You can push the plank even more forward. Okay, go. There's no time.
Go.
Balance.
Okay, now the question is how will you get the plank from there and how will you get the helping material from here? What you do is everyone can come here, try out